Assessment 5-1 Probability, TEAC 7.6I, A, and E directions. Read each question carefully, identify the key words, and be sure to answer the question. Justify your answer. Question number 1. On Roberto's shelf are 6 mystery books, 5 science books, 4 history books, 3 adventure books. Roberto will randomly choose one book to read. What is the probability that he will choose an adventure book? Make a list and get a total. A, 13, B, 118, C, 15, D, 16. Question number 2. Jacob has a bag of marbles. The bag contains 12 red, 5 blue, 8 green. Make a list and get a total. He will randomly select one marble. What is the probability that he will select a blue marble? Write your answer as a fraction, decimal, and a percentage. Question number 3. Gabriel has these cans of soup in his kitchen cabinet. 2 cans of tomato soup, 3 cans of chicken soup, 2 cans of cheese soup, 2 cans of potato soup, 1 can of beef soup. Gabriel will randomly choose 1 can of soup, then put it back and randomly choose another can of soup. What is the probability that he will choose a can of tomato soup and then a can of cheese soup? Make a list and get a total. Question number 4. Alicia has a bag of coins. The bag contains 10 dimes, 5 nickels, and 1 penny. Make a list and get a total. She will randomly select 2 coins from the bag one at a time, without replacement. What is the probability that Alicia will select a dime first and then a penny? A, 83 over 120, B, 11 over 16, C, 5 over 128, D, 1 over 24. Question number 5. Jake rolls a 6-sided number cube labeled 1 through 6 twice. To the nearest hundredth, what is the probability that the first roll is a 4 and the second roll is an even number? Please put your answer in the griddable. Question number 6. Andy spun the spinner 30 times. The spinner landed on the orange section 10 times. What is the difference between the experimental and theoretical probabilities of the spinner landing on the orange section? Remember to subtract the events, experimental minus theoretical. A, 2 over 15, B, 1/2, C, 1/3, D, 1/2. Question number 1, TEAC 7.6a. Bailey will roll a number cube and flip a coin for a probability experiment. The faces of the number cube are labeled 1 through 6. The coin can land on heads or tails. If Bailey rolls the number cube once and flips the coin once, which list contains only the outcomes in which the number cube can land on a number greater than 4? Question number 2, TEAC 7.6a. Each player in the game will roll a number cube and spin the arrow on the spinner 1 time. The numbers on each face of the number cube and the shapes of the spinner are shown below. How many different combinations of one odd number and one shape are possible? Question number 3, TEAC 7.6a. The arrows on each spinner shown below will be spun 1 time. Which of the following diagrams shows all the possible outcomes when each arrow is spun once? Question number 4, 7.6e. The spinner shown is divided into congruent or equal sections that are labeled 1 through 7. If the spinner is spun one time, what is the probability of the arrow not landing on the section labeled with an odd number? A. 4 over 7, B. 3 over 4, C. 1 over 4, or D. 3 over 7. Question number 5, T76E. Tessa is rolling a number cube labeled 1 through 6. What is the probability of Tessa not rolling a 1, 2, 5, or 6? A. 1/3, B. 1/2, C. 2/3, or D. 5 over 6. Question number 6, T7.6E. The table shows the types of movies and the number of DVDs rented by customers at a store in one day. Find the total. Based on the data in the table, what is the difference, subtract, in the probability of not selecting a drama and selecting a drama? Not drama minus drama. Question number 1, star review. There are 60 houses in a neighborhood. Company A provides electricity to 1/5 of the houses. Company B provides electricity to 1/4 of the houses. Company C provides electricity to the remaining houses. In this neighborhood, Company B provides electricity to A. 12 houses, B. 15 houses, C. 27 houses, or D. 33 houses. Star review question number 2. Mr. Silva had $75 to purchase supplies. He bought 5 packs of pencils that cost $2.50 per pack and 15 markers for 82 cents each. How much money did Mr. Silva have left after these purchases? A. $12.50, B. $50.20, C. $12.30, or D. $51.80. That's the end of the test. Please remember to check your work, justify your answer, and good luck.